In the bustling world of project management, where teams juggle tasks, timelines, and countless details, effective software is the backbone of success. Many organizations gravitate towards tools that promise to streamline workflows and enhance collaboration. Smartsheet is one such prominent platform, often discussed alongside other popular solutions. A common query that surfaces, especially from those exploring options, is Microsoft Smartsheet free? As a project management expert, I can clarify this right away. Smartsheet is not a Microsoft product, and it is not free in the traditional sense of having a robust free forever tier for general use. This is a crucial point to understand, as its name and strong integration with Microsoft products can sometimes lead to confusion. Let's break down this common misconception and explain Smartsheet's pricing model. Is Smartsheet a Microsoft product? A clarification. First things first, Smartsheet Incorporated is an independent software company, founded in 2005. It develops and markets its own software as a service, SaaS, platform for collaboration and work management. While Smartsheet boasts deep and seamless integrations with Microsoft Office 365 and other Microsoft products, like Teams, Outlook, Power BI, Azure Active Directory, and Power Automate, it is not owned by or part of Microsoft. This strong integration is a strategic move by Smartsheet to appeal to the vast number of businesses that operate within the Microsoft ecosystem. It allows users to leverage the familiar interfaces of Microsoft applications while benefiting from Smartsheet's unique capabilities, essentially creating a powerful, interconnected work environment. Smartsheet's pricing model. No free forever plan. Unlike some project management or collaboration tools that offer a basic free forever tier for individuals or very small teams, e.g., Trello, Asana, Monday.com, or even some Zoho applications, Smartsheet does not follow this model for its core offering. Smartsheet operates primarily on a subscription-based model with different paid tiers. This means that to use Smartsheet beyond a trial period, you will need to subscribe to one of their paid plans. Understanding Smartsheet's offerings and free access scenarios. While there isn't a free forever plan for creating and managing your own Smartsheet projects from scratch, there are a few scenarios where you might experience Smartsheet for free. Free trial. Smartsheet offers a free trial period, typically 30 days. This trial provides access to many of the features available in their paid plans, allowing prospective users and teams to explore the platform's capabilities before committing financially. This is the most common way for new users to experience Smartsheet. During a trial, you can typically create sheets, reports, and dashboards, and invite others to collaborate. Important note, if you don't upgrade to a paid plan after the trial expires, any sheets you created will become read-only for a limited time, e.g., 30 days, before being deleted. So it's not a permanent free solution. Free users, collaborators on paid accounts. If someone with a paid Smartsheet license shares a sheet, report, or dashboard with you, you can interact with that content without needing your own paid license. Viewers. Unlicensed users can view items shared with them. Editors, collaborators. If a licensed user grants you editor permissions on a sheet, you can edit and update work within that specific sheet. You can comment, attach files, and modify data in the cells. Limitation. As a free user, unlicensed collaborator, you cannot create your own new sheets, reports, or dashboards from scratch. Your access is limited to the items that have been explicitly shared with you by a licensed user. This is a common model for collaboration platforms, allowing paid users to bring external stakeholders or occasional collaborators into their projects without incurring extra costs for every single person. Smartsheet's paid plans. What you get. Smartsheet offers several paid plans, each designed to cater to different levels of team size and complexity. Pro plan, typically aimed at individuals and small teams, up to 10 licensed users. It includes core features like unlimited sheets, reports and forms, various views, grid, Gantt, card, calendar, and basic automations. This is a good entry point for structured task and project management. Business plan, designed for mid-sized teams and departments, offering everything in the Pro plan plus advanced features like unlimited automations, unlimited dashboards, more robust user management, advanced integrations, e.g., Jira, Salesforce, and expanded storage. It also allows for unlimited guests, meaning external collaborators who can edit. Enterprise plan, tailored for large organizations with complex needs. This plan offers advanced governance, security features like SSO, directory integration, audit reports, premium support, and access to Smartsheet's advanced work management add-ons like Control Center for portfolio management. Pricing for enterprise plans is custom. Each of these plans is typically priced on a per-user, per-month basis, often with a discount for annual billing. Why Smartsheet isn't free, and why it might be worth it. From a project management standpoint, the lack of a free forever tier highlights Smartsheet's positioning as a professional, scalable work management platform designed for serious business use. The features and capabilities it offers, especially in its paid tiers, go beyond simple task lists and spreadsheets. They include robust project management, Gantt charts, dependencies, critical path, resource management, often with add-ons, and portfolio views. Automation, powerful workflow automation to reduce manual tasks. Reporting and dashboards, customizable dashboards and reports for real-time insights into project progress and performance. Collaboration, centralized communication, file attachments, and approvals. Integrations, seamless connections with essential business tools, including the extensive Microsoft ecosystem. Security and governance, features critical for larger organizations to maintain data integrity and compliance. While not free, Smartsheet offers a highly structured and visual way to manage projects, processes, and content, appealing to teams that are looking to move beyond basic spreadsheets but still appreciate a familiar, grid-like interface. Its strength lies in its ability to adapt to various use cases, from simple task tracking to complex portfolio management across an enterprise.